I'm John Batchelor. A new book, The Ottomans, The Fall of the Ottomans, The Great War in the Middle East, tells the story of the disintegration and finally death of the Ottoman Empire that lasted for 500 years and ended the end of the First War, when the great winners, the powers that won the war, that would be France and England principally, New York and Washington came in at the end, when they cut up the Ottoman Empire for their own purposes. France got Syria, the British got Mesopotamia, and the rest of us have 100 years of regrets for the Versailles Treaty and the cutting up of the Ottoman Empire. Here's the irony. When you study Eugene Rogan's book, what you learn is that the British fought fiercely to control the head of the Persian Gulf at Basra. You learn that the British fleet off of the Gulf of Aden fought fiercely to hold off the Ottoman guns. You learn that the Ottomans invaded Egypt, crossing the Suez Canal, and were pushed back by the British in combination with their allies, the Egyptians. You also learn that along the Syrian-Turkish border, at that time it was all Ottoman, that the Armenians were horribly persecuted by the Turks. In other words, the Muslims persecuted the Christians. And along the northern frontier of Anatolia to the Caucasus, the Russians fought fiercely to control that part of their fledgling empire, controlling the Muslims who lived in the Caucasus. All this adds up, if you follow current reporting, to exactly the same geography we're fighting over today. The Gulf of Aden, the Persian Gulf, Anatolia, the Caucasus, the Suez Canal. 100 years later, we've not moved even slightly. I'm John Batchelor.